Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good whatsoever time it is where you are right now. I'm your guy, the Betong. I know you guys have been waiting for a video from me, and it hasn't been easy, guys, recently since my wife gave birth. We have been trying to put things together. There's a new little one, little boy, little prince is around, so we have to, create time for certain things and try to reorganize stuff, to be that good parent or to be there for him. So I haven't been, that should I say current or active creating videos as before, but things are gonna be back as normal, and I'm just trying to, do things in a different way now to actually gather more information, more strategies that can help you make amazing profits in the market. What I'm bringing to you guys this time around will be different. It will be kind of like different content that you guys haven't seen from me. Well, most of you have seen it from me, but I haven't been consistent about it. I've come to realize that, you know, let's stay away from the noise in the crypto space and focus on what matters. What matters is how can we make money every day, regardless the noise in the market. And I have lots of information that I'm going to share with you guys. We're going to do this together. I want us to make lots of profit trading different cryptocurrencies out there. We're gonna do this together, guys. I'm in this with you guys together. So don't feel as if I know it all. I don't know it all as well. I'm also willing to learn from you guys as well as you guys are willing to learn from me. So let us educate each other. Let us be there for each other as we invest to make money in this industry. I'm going to be focusing solely on trading, looking at different trading opportunities out there, different pairs. There are coins that we're going to look at, but Bitcoin is the alpha. So whatever we do is to accumulate a lot of Bitcoin. So I want you guys to understand this. I joined crypto, or I became who I am today because I want financial freedom, because I want to hedge against the inflation. It's because I want my family, my loved ones to be able to look back tomorrow and say, wow, this guy was there for them, and because of this, he was able to create or build something sustainable. And it's the same thing I want for you guys. We are here to create wealth, to build wealth. And crypto is going to help us do that successfully. With crypto, there is no godfather, godmother, or god sister, uncle, president, mayor, governor. Yeah, everyone is equal. The market speaks for itself. If you say you understand how to build, how to take advantage of every moves in the market, then you are going to be successful. You're going to build something. And this is exactly what I bring on the table. I've made a lot of mistakes investing in cryptocurrency. I've made a lot of mistakes, guys. Trust me. And I don't want you guys to make the same mistakes. I want us all to do things in a way that will protect ourselves, protect our investment, and protect our future. And I want to assure you guys that if say we work together, trust me, we are going to build one of the most successful financial network in history. So things might not be going the way you want it to go, but I want you to know this. I don't rush things. I take things gradually. I'm what I am today. I'm who I am today because I don't rush in life. I take things gradually. And it's the same impact or the same knowledge that I want you guys to learn. In this life, you don't have to rush. You have to believe in the process. You have to believe in God. Trust in God that God will lead you to the right people. And if, say, you see someone like me being part of your circle, then give praises to God that God has sent someone into your life to help you to navigate life the way it should be, to help you build your finances. I am not perfect in what I do. I learn every day. And I look at you guys, my community, as my strength. You guys are the reason why I wake up every day and create content, put it out there, because I want you guys to learn. I want you guys to get the knowledge. And I am going to be coming back full fledged with awesome content for you guys, and together we are gonna build something sustainable. I'm coming also with the Betong NFTs, the Betong crypto. This is gonna help us to build sustainable content to reach out to more people out there in Africa, Asia, around the world who want to gain financial freedom but they don't have money. So we're gonna build a system that will help everyone regardless your background. I want to see everyone that I come across, that we come across, become successful. So stay tuned, like wait for the Betong crypto and the Betong NFTs. These are the ways we're going to use to impact so many lives out there, so many people out there. You being part of this project means so much to me, means so much to the world, means so much to so many people out there who are gonna gain knowledge based on this. So let me just say, there's lots coming in the future, and we still have a long way to go. I'm gonna launch, pre-sales for that, the Betong NFTs and the Betong crypto. I'm gonna launch also airdrops. So all of you who have been part of my community, who have been there from day one. So I mean, everything is gonna be, in accordance to what we have been discussing in the past. And I'm gonna, also require your support, your help, in building a sustainable team. And this team will be a paid team long term, because it's gonna be a way to support everyone. So if they're gonna be part of my team, then be rest assured that in the future, that will be a good job for you, in addition to what you already have. So if not you, someone out there can get access to this, and become sustainable in one way or the other financially. And that's what we intend for anyone out there. So make sure you are part of this platform. Make sure you are part of my community. If say you haven't yet subscribed to my platform, make sure you go right now and smash the subscribe button. It won't cost you anything, and you're gonna help this platform to reach out to people. And guys, share my content, like invite people within your community, share it in some different groups on WhatsApp, on Facebook, any platform that you find yourself. Let people subscribe to our platform, share the Telegram group to them or with them, so that they can be part of it, to our external WhatsApp group as well. In the future, I want us to build something sustainable, and I want us all to be involved. So make sure you invite as many people as possible. You can become that person who will help me get to those people out there, by sharing my content, by telling your friends, your loved ones to subscribe, to follow me on social media. It's gonna help, me to get more opportunities for you guys. All right, let me not speak so much. See you the next video. Bye bye.